Kaliang persya Voice of the People Party VPP hakaat pandai terik nailar kalami jyndat no napoh ka iingdorbar tauan ban penpau persya ya karai ban ailad ya Myntri katanat puli puthi urakam is sangma ba jubab hapo ka dorbar klem dashim ya ki jing penshitam persya ya halor ki jingkynnoh krenshun persya ya ka parti hadin ba usimbut lampang utimoti di shira ulapan bena ya karai ban ailad ya Myntri katanat puli puthi ba jubab hakamat ya tai balingkat balawan ra da presiden ka VPP ubadeiru MLA ka nongkrem uba arden mele basayman halor ka jingthongkam nonghikai hadadeng gre subdivision uba arden lembat kilaingot kiweipat ki MLA ka VPP kilayeng na kijaka syong bat mi no syabar haringkat ka jingperta klem ka jingleran Hashwa bakin sami no syabar uba arden ulaong ngan sngap satya ya Myntri katanat puli puthi ka jingkran shun jong ka penken ya ka kendon shispa kandai penriu jong ka BNSS lada Myntri rangba lani uwei na kisimbut Myntri rangba kim a jingkran halor kanikaman ngan sngap satya nalor kata ula bertenru da ka baong lada ka sorkar ka ailad ya Myntri ban jubab ngin mi no ngim kwa bakandon ka jingakan at hapadeng ki kasi bat ki garu ka jingkran jong ka kentiu ya ka jingasyun hapadeng ki arjat benrio hashwa kani usimbut Myntri rangba uba prestun tinsong ulaong bakarul ka ong ba udukhat haba a jingkran dei ban kentho shimet ya ki weipat ki dukhan kumta nga tharai ngi ailad ya Myntri ba jubab namar ba MLA ka nongkrem uba arden basaymon ulayeng bat persya ya kani ngakwa ban kran syai bagi jingkynnoh persya ya Myntri kideg bakta shimet kumta ngilaweng no ya kani kalan na lor kata ula ajing mutru ya uni unong ilam ka VPP ba ailad bakaan kanle ya kabadan kam namar bakila dap mudui persya da ka ejahar persya ya uni Myntri sorkar katkum ka jingong ka jong ka VPP kalawan ra ya kani kamat hapo ka iingdorbar klem kanu ka kendon balay ngiwan ra ya kani kamat hapo ka iingdorbar ay bangin ya katkum ki rule kani kade ka jingkynnoh shimet persya ya udukhat ubadeiru Myntri hapo ka sorkar ong uba prestun.
Though I respect your decision, but I'll have to take this issue outside this house, sir. Sir, I would like to thank you for allowing me to raise this issue under a short duration discussion. The manner in which teachers were appointed. And before I proceed, through you, sir, I would like to express that this discussion would be indeed directed to the Chief Minister, as I don't want to engage myself in a discourse with a communal person who wants to see wars between the Khasis and the Garos, who wants to see bloodshed, and in his campaign during the last MP election, he had made an allegation against us and the hate speech that he has made. So therefore, sir, I would request through you, sir, to the Chief Minister to kindly take this as a subject to be dealt in this sitting, sir. Sir, if I were as communal as him, sir, I would not have chosen to associate myself with the Garo people since the late 80s. And as a party, we had already filed an FIR against the concerned person. And I hope that the government will not prevent the concerned authority to initiate action against the minister.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for me, let me refer the rule as per Rule 300. And I would like also to refer to Rule 2791 and Subpara 2, which says, a member while speaking shall not make a personal charge against a member. So I thought we'll allow first the Honorable Minister concerned to reply, but since the Honorable Member from Nongkrem constituency, Aden Baselmoit, stood up and also reacted to this, I would like to first of all, sir, put things in order because the charges is so personal. So therefore, sir, better we expunge that line. Wherever he already used, because the
He
word
made a public
communal-
statement, sir. It is
communal-
not a personal statement. He made
So-
a public statement against us. So the matter is so serious. So if we feel that the government can go ahead and allow him to reply, we are going to walk out, sir. We are not going to compromise.
Sir.
We don't want to see that there will be a clash between these two communities. His statement, sir, his speech is promoting enmity between the Khasis and the Garos. I don't think we should allow this kind of speech
Sir,
to be encouraged, sir.
Yes, sir, I would like to say like this. I think in the
It is not
statement,
a personal. It is
in
not
the-
a personal. It is a public speech
Sir,
where he made against
sir,
us.
I think I would request the honourable member to listen to me also. I think in the statement where he made, the honourable member from Nongkrem constituency has mentioned that FIR has been filed. Okay, if FIR has been filed, so let the course of law carry on. But you bringing here inside the house without any
Because he is an MLA.
conviction,
We bring
or
it inside the house
it's
because
only
he is an
the
MLA.
allegation. So sir, why should we bring in this issue inside this August
There
house?
should not be no-
That
there
is
should
my point.
not
sir.
be any
so
immunity.
Because see, when we are here inside the house, let us be being governed by the rules on this. Sir. This is my only concern. So I would request you, sir, that the statement made by the honourable member, because this is a personal charge, personal charge against the member who happens also to be the minister in the government.